Yeah, Chris, we have put the photographs on the Facebook page.
Yeah.
The proof of your amazing score. Tell us more about Angry Birds. Where does Angry Birds come from? And how did you learn so much about them?
Well, Angry Birds is written by a computer company somewhere, and I just played it a lot a few years ago.
A few years ago.
Yeah.
And do you think it was a good illustration of the Samsung whiteboard? Did it have a valid place at the Learning Technologies show?
Yeah, I liked it.
Okay.
That's the main thing.
It was well worth the trip then.
Yeah.
Because, well, it did. I mean, the second photograph, apart from your amazing score, did show that you could take a still off the game and make a comment about it and reload it onto the whiteboard.
Yeah.
So it had a very serious purpose as well, didn't it?
It did. But I just want to say I'm supremely excellent at Angry Birds. What was it? A 3-star?
Yeah, 3 stars.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I didn't even notice.
That was the funny thing. Well, it was a very cunning shot. Whether you'd intended the shot, I don't know, but it was very slow motion as well. You sort of overshot the situation onto a high shelf, and then you very slowly bounced back, and you gradually wrecked everything. It was all a complete mess by the time you finished.
Yeah.
But you weren't paying attention. You'd sort of restarted it all.
Up.
Yeah, you'd given up and started again.
Yeah.
You should have been patient while the roll sort of continued backwards.
Yeah.
But anyway, there is much other information from the Learning Technology Show, which we'll release gradually over the next few weeks.
With warning.
Yes.